ripping. The big bike's going right now. I got my e-bike, my Yamaha Engine Pro. I'm gonna go ahead and get up here and get going. Yeah. Hey guys, we're out here ripping. We're not racing or anything, we're just having fun. It's a Christian group of chain breakers MX, and it's starting to sprinkle. So that is very nice. Guys, it's starting to sprinkle. If you get a muddy swamp out here, I can die. Hopefully not. Oh yeah? Okay. Oh, I'm lying. Oh no, I have the beta. I was like, no, it's not that bad. I got a good enough for you. I want to keep it. This is a good time. That last one's pretty steep knuckle. And here are the drill this. Drill it. Oh my gosh, I'm flying. It's actually kind of good for the track, but I can't hold the pivot. I'm down. No way. There's no way. I'm down. Catch a line! I have no touch. Frick. No break. Brake before the turn, and don't really brake in the turn, and you're good. I've never rode in mud. I've never rode in mud. Oh, frick.